I truly am gonna miss this place. Let's really try and catch that. All right, I gotta try and catch the ferry because I see it. Oh, she's directing me in. That's cool. I just like skipped the line, dude. That is all she wrote, my friends. By the time I see you next, I will be in Vancouver, and I'll probably have a surprise. Alright guys, time for the surprise. Okay guys, so this is the camera with an aftermarket mic. Yo!
Amazing.
Alright guys, so this is before any adjustments, any changing of the settings, before the autofocus, but I'm not sure, it might have autofocus on already. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments on if it's any different. It's pretty good though, from what it looks like on the screen as far as like stability. I mean, it's gonna be a lot better than this. Hallelujah, dude. Oh baby, that is so slick. I need to go pick up, I didn't even tell you guys about this. I'm picking up a friend. I am picking up Kirsten on the way back in the Okanagan. So I need to get my butt there because it's 11 o'clock. It's like a 10-hour drive. How are you?
Hello, I'm well. How are you?
Good. Say something cool.
Something cool. We
have a surprise for two people back home that have no idea that I'm coming back, that have no idea that she's coming back. So we're gonna surprise them with some fireworks.
And us. Let's go!
Yes!
I love this. This is so fun. What's pink and has 18 legs? You have to say what?
What?
Nothing.
Searching my home.
Hi, my name's Colton. Welcome to my crib.
Hey.
In them streets, but I keep it cheap though. I ain't in the fairy tales. I'm just me, ho.
Okay. What's up, guys? Back with Kirsten. We're gonna go surprise my good friend Miles Benjamin.
Smiles.
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 Look.
Hey.
Hi.
How's it going? I don't know where to go. What's up, Miles?
How you doing, man?
Good.
Oh, look at that.
How are you doing today?
Oh.
How's it going?
Good yourself? Oh, hello.
Hey.
How are you doing, Kirsten?
Hello.
Oh, what the fuck? I thought I heard that truck, the infamous exhaust.
Oh my goodness.
How are you guys?
Yeah,
Where'd you come
you
from?
surprised?
Yeah, very.
That's hot, dude.
The boys. So, Colton gave me the vlog camera, so we're vlogging.
Oh my god.
Are you?
Dude, I was shooting my left.
Like and subscribe.
Can we do that better?
Do it again.
Like and subscribe.
Alright guys, that's all for today's vlog. Thank you guys for tuning in. It was a very fun day, very memorable. And it's things like these that are so fun to do. They don't take a lot, you know what I mean? Just a little tiny bit of planning can make such a memorable time for you and your friends and people you care about. And then it's like those things go down as like the things that shape you as who you are. You know what I mean? Making really fun memories out of, you know, something that would have just been another boring night. So, on that note, I'll see you on the next video.